Hello everyone, welcome to section 4 in generative AI learning series. In this section, we'll see how to use OpenAI built-in tools. We will mainly focus on how to use web search, file input, and file search tools. And this section is going to have total 3 videos. This is the first video. In this video, we'll see how to use web search feature. This allows model to search the internet for the latest information. I will talk about the pricing of web search and I'll even show you how much it costed me for the web search queries. In the second video, we'll see how to use file input feature. There we'll pass a PDF file as an input and then we can ask questions about the contents of the file. In the third video, we'll see how to use file search feature. This allows model to search the input file for the relevant information. There we can pass multiple types of files. We can even pass Python, PPT, Java file, or even Go language file. For this demo, I'll be passing a Word document as an input. After that, we need to manually create a vector database. Then we'll see how to put that file content into the vector database within OpenAI. Now we'll go to the documentation of web search feature. Here we can see this allow models to search the web for the latest information before generating a response. And we need to configure tools for sending the web search, and inside tools we need to pass a type as web search preview. And here we'll be able to see the supported web search versions. While recording this supports these two versions. And we have some additional functionalities. We can even pass the user location. We'll see how to use that. Based on the user locations, the response will vary. We'll see how to use that. Then so it is very important to understand this concept, the search context size, and depends on that the response quality will vary. If you set this to high, this will respond with most comprehensive context, highest cost, and slower response. And this is going to be the default value. And if you want to set the search context size, we can set it in this format. Just a heads up, when using built-in web search in OpenAI API, the pricing is little on the higher side. Let me just show you my current billing. If you notice here, on this particular date, the web search tool call, and I have used the search context medium, it was $0.25. I have just made only 4 web search requests, and on another day I made 2 requests, and on that day it costed only $0.04. And if you see the pricing of it, depends on the model, pricing will vary. We will try to use GPT-4o mini with the medium search context, and here we can see for 1K call it is going to cost $27.50. I feel that web search feature is still evolving. In future we might be able to see some more new feature. For now, if you're going to use it frequently, keep an eye on the cost. You can go to the usage and check your web search cost. Now let's start coding. Code is going to be very simple. We'll even see how to use the location. I'll just add the code here. And instead of 4.1, I'll change this to 4o-mini. Then here we need to add the OpenAI API key. This part I have explained in the first video. I'll run it so that this environment variable will get loaded. And here I'll change the question because we are going to test even the location feature. So it has to change the response depends on the location. So I will ask a question. Here I'll ask a location specific question like what are the major attractions in Mahatma Gandhi Road. Many cities in India have Mahatma Gandhi Road. So depends on the user location, this would be able to respond. I'll give what are the major attractions in Mahatma Gandhi Road. Let us run that. So now this is going to internet and searching for the answer. Here it is saying Mahatma Gandhi Road is a prominent thoroughfare in several Indian cities, each offering unique attractions. You can see in Bangalore we have Mahatma Gandhi Road, then in Kolkata, Cochin, and in many other places we have. Now instead of this, we'll try to pass the user location. We'll go to the documentation. I'll copy this. Instead of this, I'll put this tools, and here under user location, we can keep the type as approximate. Then country, I'll give India. Then city, I'll give Kochi. Then region, I'll give Kerala. Let me try running this. So now this is responding with the details of MG Road in Kochi. We can see all the details. Now I'll clear this output. If you want to see the response details, what we can do is we can do a print of response dot model dump JSON. Then we can give indent equal to 2. Let me try running this again. Now here, if you notice, we can see a response ID. Object is a response. And this is our web search ID. Status is completed and type is web search call. And it is going to all these sites and getting the data. So we'll be able to see all the details, and this print is from this. In this way, we can use web search feature in OpenAI. In the next video, we'll see how to use file input, and there will pass a PDF file as an input. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.